Ah, oh, that's hot. That's hot.
Hey people, Gary here from iDigi Affiliate. Today we promoting the $25 all-in-one done for you digital business. Alright guys, so let's look at it today. Now first off, I want to talk about the reasons why I like promoting the $25 all-in-one business. For one, the product itself and the multiple products you get with it are very useful for when creating an online business. It's a funnel builder essentially, which every business needs if you're gonna do a capable online business, so to speak. So get a funnel builder. Okay, very good, very cool, right? Get a funnel builder, but you also get like a bunch of other stuff, and it's only $25. So you get a funnel builder, the training, all that, $25, guys. You don't need to learn how to do stuff. It teaches it for you, how to do every single step, right? And it shows you exactly what to do. So, and it's $25 a month, which is now the most popular funnel builder right now. Well, it was at the time I was using funnel builder, was ClickFunnels. I'm pretty sure it's still the most popular now. And the prices I remember back then was like $91 a month, and you didn't even get all the features of the funnel builder. It was like the one that really stuck out to me. It's like ridiculous. Is the only a certain amount of people can look at your page, right? And that was just crazy and ridiculous. And the thing with using My Lead Gen Secrets to promote your product is that a ton of people are gonna see your page. Like, let me just show you the number here. You see how many people? 23,000 clicks, guys. A lot of people gonna see your page. So it's very important that that's not a hindering factor. But a lot of and second of all, my favorite part in particular is this affiliate system, which pays 80% commissions monthly, recurring commissions. So 80% every single month. It's not just 80% initially, it's 80% every single month. A lot of products I never even seen nobody do that. 80%. I think it's the straight up best business online period right now. I do. 8% commissions is kind of crazy. All right, guys, let's get started here. First off, we're gonna hit refresh. Make sure people. Okay, no sales. As I was saying, make sure people hit refresh to show you guys that those are real results. Because if they don't hit refresh, then you have no clue if it's real results or not. All these numbers are easily changeable. Like if you look, it's a bunch of videos out there that just show you, like, they have, like, it seems like they have a million different ways of making money online, and like they show you results. They probably have a photo of like clickbank loan lines and numbers and stuff like that. A whole lot of money, like thousands of dollars each day. It's easy to change these numbers around, guys, and change the bars around and stuff like that to make it look like that, but that's not necessarily the case. All right, guys, so we did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine. Not a big deal, but let's keep it moving here. I still made more money this month than last month. So, all right, so we're gonna click on that. Yeah, let's see. Perfect timing. Hit perfect timing like that. Wait. What email? Let's find an email we're gonna go with first. I'm sorry, I kind of got ahead of myself a little bit there. All right, let's go back. Let's pick the email that we're gonna go with here. BitMoney Day. What was the last? Try this one. I already sent this. Yeah, I already sent that. Never mind. Click on this one. Alright, so we're gonna send a done and ready to go business in a box that pays you 80% commissions. Let's see how that works. Hey guys, so copy this. You can pause it so you can copy it. Make sure you copy it if you want to. You don't have to. I just want to still frame it so you can copy all of the links here. I mean all of the email here if you're interested in copying my emails. Alright, and there you go. That's the whole email there. Make sure you preview, make sure your link works. And the link you want to use, guys, you want to personally use all-in-one $25 business. Oh man, I almost showed some personal information there. I went down too far. Anyway, yeah. You'll get started today. Limited spots below. Put it right there. The link right there. By clicking on this right here, add a link to whatever, right? And make sure you click on perfect timing. Perfect timing does send an email around time. People check their emails, so you know somebody might check their emails around 8 a.m. Somebody at 10 p.m. They get it around that time, so it's end up on top of the list and a better chance of them checking it. So anyway, we're gonna send an email. That's all there is to it, guys. Really, take about 5 minutes every morning. Especially when you got your emails all written like that. The reason why this video itself is about 7 minutes long. Now, and that's because I just been rambling on. But like, if you guys, you probably just gonna hop in, boom, boom, boom. It only take about 2-3 minutes every morning, and you could make a video like me and get more sales using YouTube maybe, and get some more eyes on your product. And that's really what it's all about, guys. You know, and you'll slowly make money, guys, because it's working for me. I'm showing you when I make money. I'm showing you when I don't. It's working for me. It can work for you. It can work for you. There's no difference between me and you. It's just that easy. It's the only difference between me and you is that I'm doing this, and you probably are not at the moment. That's the only difference. That's why I'm making this extra money on the side here. Pay a bill or two, and you are not. That's it. There's no skill needed. It's just this easy, guys. All right. So yeah. All right. So all the links are in the description below. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.